purchase a used car? What now?
Hi, I'm Heather at Reflex here in Hooksett, New Hampshire. Welcome to our shop feed. Have you recently purchased or are you thinking about purchasing a used vehicle? When you check the Carfax report, do you ever notice there's not much in there besides oil changes and inspections? Let me show you what we typically recommend and some service intervals that might be overdue. We recently had a customer buy a 2022 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport from Merchants Auto. We did a pre-purchase inspection on it, and honestly it was in great shape considering it had 90,000 miles and very few service records. Here's what we did for basic service on that Atlas. Engine and cabin air filters, recommended every 20,000 miles or once a year. Spark plugs and ignition coils, spark plugs every 35,000 miles, ignition coils every 75,000 miles or 5 years. Brake fluid flush, this should be done every 2 years. Automatic transmission service every 50,000 miles, including both the fluid and filter. Haldex all-wheel drive service. This system has 2 fluids that should be changed every 35 to 40,000 miles. Most dealerships only replace one unless you specifically ask for both. Tire balance and alignment every 15,000 miles or once a year. Drive belt and tensioner every 8 years or 90,000 miles. That belt runs the alternator and water pump. Full undercoating service. We remove the fender liners, exhaust, and floor shields, then apply New Hampshire Oil Undercoatings Hybrid Formula. It's a semi-permanent coating that helps protect the chassis from rust and corrosion. New key programming. Most used cars only come with one key, so we ordered and programmed a new one. This also clears out any previously programmed keys for security. Interior accessories. We added factory Volkswagen floor mats, a rear trunk mat, and seat covers. The customer has a few dogs, so this setup was perfect, and the fitment was awesome. So if you're thinking about buying a used vehicle, keep in mind there might be some overdue or preventative maintenance items that don't show up on the Carfax report. A little bit of upfront service can make a huge difference in keeping your new to you car reliable for years to come. Don't forget, a pre-purchase inspection done by us is always highly recommended. Visit us online for more information or feel free to call, text, or email.